Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad last longer in the fridge. First, proper preparation is key. Always wash your greens thoroughly, then use a salad spinner or paper towels to ensure they are completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of fresh produce, so removing it prevents premature spoilage. Also, inspect your greens and discard any bruised or discolored pieces before storing. Once your greens are clean and dry, the right storage method makes a huge difference. Line an airtight container with a few sheets of paper towel, then add your salad greens. Place another dry paper towel on top before sealing the container. This setup absorbs excess moisture, keeping your greens crisp for up to 5 to 7 days. For best results, store the container in your refrigerator's crisper drawer. A common mistake is mixing all salad components too early. Always store your dressing, croutons, and other toppings in separate containers. Adding dressing too soon will make your greens soggy and shorten their lifespan significantly. Only combine everything right before you plan to eat. This simple step ensures each ingredient maintains its texture and flavor, contributing to a much fresher salad experience. To quickly revive slightly wilted greens, immerse them in a bowl of ice water for about 15 minutes, then dry thoroughly. Also, be mindful of where you store your salad in the fridge. Keep it away from ethylene-producing fruits like apples and bananas, which can accelerate spoilage. These small adjustments can significantly extend your salad's life. For more great tips and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.